Hi there, I'm Jeff Gosling. I'm the owner of Processional Effect Limited and an award-winning business coach. Here's the amazing facts about the dangers of stress and the impact of our perception of it on our health. Thanks again to author Kevin Lawrence and the broadcast host Peter Bulker for the learnings to be able to share. First, the revelation. How you perceive stress determines if it is harmful or not. If we believe it's good, it is. If bad, then it is. Since all the media coverage is typically a negative view on stress and the huge human and economic impact of it, the likelihood is that most people believe it is bad. Literally, that consistent message is killing people. Why? Research demonstrated that we are 47% more likely to die of stress if we believe it is bad. The lowest risk is to those who believe some degree of stress is good and necessary as a driver. It shows where we need to focus on improving ourselves to succeed. For example, if having difficult conversations with your team causes you stress, then the anxiety is telling you to develop yourself to do it better. I can help with that, recommend some reading. So, this perception of some stress as good was less dangerous than not being stressed. It highlights the importance of looking after ourselves, not by endeavouring to avoid or negate stress, but by finding our own sweet spot. At what level of stress do you perform at your best? Believing that at that level it is a good thing, then avoiding being too relaxed as to get bored or overstressed, causing burnout. A final interesting point is that as you go past that sweet spot, you're increasingly bad at reframing some stress as positive and gauging our sweet spot. As driven business owners, we are a couple of life events away from mental health issues. I conclude by compelling you to ensure you prioritise looking after yourself and focusing on your sweet spot, reframing stress and how it relates to you right now. I'm sure this is a blind spot for many, as it was for me. If so, what action will you take? I trust focusing on this blind spot has got you thinking. Now, what action will you take? What's the biggest focus or challenge right now? Which topics would you like me to cover in future videos? If you'd like to get in touch, simply connect with me on LinkedIn. Email me or give me a call. If you'd like a complimentary blind spot call, you can schedule directly using the link in this slide. I'm here to help.